In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use threads on Slack. Slack threads are an incredibly useful tool that can help organize conversations and keep discussions on track without cluttering the main chat space. If you're part of a busy Slack workspace, understanding how to effectively use threads can greatly enhance your productivity and communication clarity. Let's dive in and see how you can best utilize this feature. First, open your Slack application, whether it's on desktop or mobile. Once you've got it up, head over to the channel or direct message where you want to start using threads. Now, find the specific message you want to reply to in a thread. It's important to note that with Slack, creating a thread doesn't mean you're starting a new conversation entirely. Instead, you're building on an existing message, allowing for more focused discussions. Once you've located the message, hover over it with your cursor. You'll see several icons pop up to the right. Click on the small speech bubble icon. This will open a new panel on the right side of your screen where you can start your threaded reply. It's a place where you can write your response just like a regular Slack message. When you're ready, hit the Enter key or click the paper plane icon to send your message. Your response will appear as part of a separate thread beneath the original message. The benefit here is that people who are interested in that particular topic can follow it there without disrupting the main chat flow. This keeps conversations organized and prevents important details from being lost in a sea of unrelated messages. Sometimes it's crucial to update the entire channel about a thread's relevancy. In Slack, when you're crafting your thread reply, you have the option to also send to channel name. By selecting this checkbox, your reply will appear in the main channel, which is useful for making sure everyone stays informed. If you start getting multiple threads running simultaneously, it can become tricky to manage your notifications. To keep it simple, whenever someone responds to a thread you're part of, you'll get a notification. You can keep track of all threaded conversations you're involved in by clicking the Threads button in the sidebar. This is where you'll find all your thread activities in one place. Finally, while using threads, make sure you maintain a habit of checking them regularly because important updates can easily go unnoticed if overlooked. Encourage your team to adopt the practice of using threads for discussions that warrant them, which will lead to a more organized and efficient communication style. With these steps, you'll find yourself managing discussions more effectively on Slack. Using threads will save you time sorting through messages and ensure that everyone in your workspace is up to date on key topics. Happy threading, and see you in the next tutorial.